We've never been to Pepsi Smash before, but we are so excited.
So excited.
We can't.
Hey, welcome to Film School USA. This is Richard Arsenault. Whether you're a director, a producer, or an editor, you have to be aware of multicam editing of live performances. Sometimes there's as many as 12 or 15 or even 20 or 30 cameras, and you have to decide what the best take is at the right moment. But editing music is far more inspired, and often the visuals take you where you need to be. First, let's watch the open that I cut, followed by a multicam live performance of the Black Eyed Peas on Film School USA.
Who's your favorite performance so far at Pepsi Smash?
Lenny Kravitz.
Lenny?
Yeah.
What about you?
I would also have to say Lenny Kravitz. The guy rocks.
Favorite Pepsi Smash performance so far?
Black Eyed Peas. The chick's
hot.
Yeah.
Definitely Maroon 5. Maybe Maroon 5.
Maroon 5? Why?
I like the singer.
We saw who was staying at Pepsi Smash. The performance was awesome. It rocked.
The Black Eyed Peas were freaking awesome. Like, the best ever.
Rooney. Definitely Rooney. I was here a few weeks ago for Black Eyed Peas, and they were playing Hey Mama, and that was the best.
Black Eyed Peas. I like Black Eyed Peas.
And everybody likes the Black Eyed Peas.
Honey, can I have a hug?
We're back on Smash. You know, we're halfway through this second season, and you just heard from the fans tonight, we've had no shortage of amazing performances. Tonight, we wanted to give you another chance to see your favorite one more time. So right now, let's take a loving second look at your top Smash performance so far. You picked it. Hey Mama, it's the Black Eyed Peas.
Hope you enjoyed it. That's a great example of multicam editing for live performances. For Film School USA, the only homework assignment is to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, be a member, and watch a bunch of new content that I worked on. Thank you.